All right, now let's talk about the collection that is currently listed in the Etsy shop. Now, I created this collection. The story behind this is I actually have an art collection that I have to upload, and I made some smaller art pieces, right? And I thought I would have, I wanted to see how some the journal charms and bag charms would accompany it, and it accompanies it beautiful. So the story behind this, the whole collection, Seascapes, even my art pieces, is that when I was a little girl, in the summer times, because I grew up in the Midwest, I grew up in Chicago, born and raised, and my dad would always take me to the lake, Lake Michigan, for those of you who don't know. We always went to the beach every summer, y'all. Every summer I went to the beach, and my dad would always help me find beautiful seashells, okay? He would always help me pick seashells. That is one of my best memories ever in my life. Okay, as a little girl, I had a yellow bathing suit with 3 butterflies on it. I remember it. I still have the pictures at my parents' house. Okay, and it was just such a great time in my life, you know. And then he would, sometimes he would take me and all my friends. He would pile us all up in his Cadillac and drag us to the lake. And he'd be the dad out there with, 8 kids. And me and all my neighborhood friends would always go. And we had a ball, y'all, let me tell you. And actually, sometimes, most of the time, my friends, only time they ever went to the lake was when my dad took us, right? Because their parents had to work and do different things. And my father worked nights at the time. So he liked to enjoy his weekends and days off. And then that's what he would do on his days off. It was take me to the lake and, me and all my friends. Not all the time, but a lot, And I would take different friends and we would just have a ball, y'all. Just a ball. And then after we left the lake, because we would be there literally all day, we'd be starving, and he'd take us to McDonald's and get us what is now called a Happy Meal. It was not called a Happy Meal back then. But, yeah, so that is the story behind this, behind the whole entire Seascapes collection. I currently have artwork showing on display, exhibited in my local city hall here, some pieces. And that's the Seascape collection, part of that. So I made these beautiful pieces to accompany that and tell a part of the story, okay? So, yeah, this is what kind of reminded me of. And he would always help me. He had a bucket, and he would put the shells in a bucket. And then when I got home, he would stick them in my window. I'd line them up, and he would say, these are for good luck. So I have always loved rocks, pretty rocks and shells. He would get rocks, pretty rocks and shells for me. Okay, so that's how this whole thing started, especially because I love crystals and really pretty rocks. I'm a bit of a rock hound, So, like, I love crystals, rocks, and shells, all the things, all things beautiful and oceany. So that is the story behind this full collection here. And these are all currently listed in the shop. And they have an amazing story behind them. And they're all different, y'all. All different, fun, and decently priced. And you're getting great quality. So, all right, I just wanted to share that with you. Alrighty, so these are all listed, and you can go check them out at your leisure. And just know that everything I create, there's a story behind it, usually. 10 times out of 10. Sometimes, I have dreams, and I wake up, like I'll dream I'm on an island or something, and I'll wake up, and the colors that I was wearing in the dream is what I put together in a piece. Strangely enough, I've done that for years. Okay, so that's how that works for me. So all of these are currently listed, everyone. So go ahead and check them out. Alrighty. The Seascapes collection. And I have extra pieces. I have to still add a few pieces. The art piece is currently up. This is really cool and fun. Very different. Okay. If you're an artist and you want to put this on your junk journal, art journal, this would be great. Alrighty. So I just wanted to share that with you. The great story about that. Okay.